Vrindavan.
No. I don't give Harikatha.
You did not give Harikatha.
Harikatha is no from here there no Hari. Hari Kirtan.
Hari Kirtan. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshurmritam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikari Tadare Bhaktaya Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandho Jagatpati Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priyavai Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattavati Namo Bhakta Vihina Aparadha Lakshai Hiptascha Kamadi Karangamati Kripamai Tvang Saranang Prapanna Brinde Namaste Charana Brinde Namaste Charana Ravindam Brinde Namaste Charana Ravindam Bhajami Radham Aravinda Netram Smarami Radham Madhura Smitasam Vadami Radham Karuna Varadra Hato Mamanasti Gatir Naka Ha Devi Kaku Bharagadagadayaddha Vacha Jachini Patti Bhuvi Dandava Durvatarthi Assa Prasad Mabdasa Jana Sakatva Gandharvike Nijakane Gananan Angasyamribhi Jata Mandi Kitandri Varang Jaddam Jatu Gururuchi Sang Pattam Varasasriya Vrindarana Nivasana Hidra Saddhamadi Damodaram Radha Skanda Nivisrujjalo Bhujam Dhayam Sudamodar Tabaivasmi Na jivami taya bina iti viggayati radhi tanganayami charanantiki vangse vibhusita karannavaniradavat pitambaraduruna bimba phaladrustat purnendu sundara mukhat Aravinda Netrat Krishnat Paramatat तत्तं किमपि अहं न जाने कृष्णात् परम तत्तं किमपि अहं न जाने न विजाचे राज्यं न च कनकमाणिक्यं विभवं न जाचे ब्रह्मं सकलजन कामं वरवधूं मे सदा काले काले प्रमथपति न गीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु श्री कृष्ण चैतन्यं प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 So hard to speak. Which katha? So first of all, offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Gurupad Padma Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad. Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. And Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad. Ashtotara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of all senior devotees, all Vaishnavis and senior devotees and all my guests. So just I want to speak few words and how will you develop our sadhan and bhajan. What do you do? Sadhan and bhajan. Generally people are thinking sadhan and bhajan both are same thing. But in our acharyas, they explain sadhan, another thing, bhajan, another thing. Conditional soul, they can't do bhajan. They can sadhan. Or bhajan, when you do bhajan, one who liberates from this material world and he realizes his own Siddha Deha and transcendental consciousness form. And with his transcendental consciousness form Siddha Deha, then he will serve his Ishtadev. That is called bhajan. Bhajyate sibbate iti bhajana. High level stage. Ethnic sadhak, when will come in the stage of rati and bhava dasha, then he will be realize his own siddha, or transcendental constitution form. That time also 9 external symptoms and 3 internal symptoms will come. Chantra Prataga Pakalatang Barbhakti Manasannata Asa Bindu Samutkantai Nama Gani Sadaruchi. आसक्ति तत् गुणानुखाने और प्रति तत् वसति स्थल इत्तर्जो सुराजत भावांकुरे जने. This is the process. So 9 external symptom will come. First that is called Shanti. Shanti means peaceful mind. And as like Parikshit Maharaj. And he heard after 7 days he will be die. And very poisonous serpent snake will come and bite him. But Parikshit Maharaj very happy. Why?
100%
After 7 days I will die. That means 7 days I will be alive. But we don't know how long we'll be alive in this material world. So sometimes you have to use this word in your certificate, in your ID card. ID? What written is there? Date of your birth. But not written date of death. Look at this. That means everybody will know your date of birth. She is saying date of birth. Death you don't know. If you know your date of death, then you will be crying. Always crying. And crying and that is called the Maran Kanna. Maran Kanna is you will cry for death. And Mahadevi arranged this. But one thing is that this is the sure and certain will be die. This is called the absolutely truth. But when it just you don't know which date. This is the thing. So now coming in this way, Shanti Pradhoim Parikshit Maharaj, he heard after 7 days the snake Takshak, very poisonous snake, serpent. Takshak, what is his name? Takshak. He will come and bite him. Then he will die. When he heard this cause, then Parikshit Maharaj is very happy. Why he is happy? 7 days he will be alive. This is guarantee. 7 days will be alive or not? But we have no guarantee. And how many days will be alive? But Parikshit Maharaj told you, 7 days I will be alive. That means within 7 days I will not die. So only Parikshit Maharaj, he know his date of death. Good or not? Not good. You are saying good. If you would know your date of death, then that time you will not do anything. No business, no anything. This is true or not? Parikshit Maharaj did or not? He did not perform any business, nothing in this. Look at this. Now we are doing everything. Why? Because we don't know the date of death. This is true. But Parikshit Maharaj, that time he told, I will alive 7 days. So what will do now? Parikshit Maharaj told. Then he called all the Rishi Munis. They what will do? Give me some instruction to me. And different rishi munis, they also give different their and instruction. Kormi sadhu, Gyani sadhu, Yogi sadhu, different sadhu. Sadhu not same. Understand? You don't think they all sadhu are same. And we are not the same also. Difference or not? What the difference? Male, female, age difference, language difference, many things different. Eating, sleeping also different. You eating what things? Pasta, ice cream. Cassava. Okay. He's saying pizza. Okay. You like or not?
Yes.
Cake. But I'm not eating. All you are eating, I'm not eating. Completely what your name. I'm not eating. What is it called? Pizza, pasta, cake, ice cream, acai, chocolate. Sometimes you take it if I don't know this. Yes, I don't like it. What do you like? But what I am saying, you are also eating. This is common. You are eating also rice or not? Dal, sabji, pakoda, samosa. I am not eating. You are eating samosa. Ladu. Sometimes I am eating, not so ladu, not eating. Sweet, very rare. Sandesh and rasgulla. Sometimes not all. But they are sweet sometimes. Okay, sometimes. Maybe little bit, not much. One rasgulla is too much for me. But you, how many rasgulla you will take? 10. Hey. Rasgulla competition. How many will take?
5, maybe 30, 40.
If it's available. If it's available.
If it's available.
It's possible. It's possible.
Okay.
If it's available.
So you can come in Delhi. I will give you. How much you can eat? Daily, every day, everybody is giving lot of sweets.
Yeah.
I'm distributing, not finished.
Yeah.
So when you will come, remind me, I'll give you. Let's take. Okay, so how do we say? Parikshit Maharaj. And we are not the same. Different sadhus. Karmi sadhu, they told, hey Maharaj, you do karma. What is karma? Give charity, donation, good karma, not bad karma. Good karma, charity, donation, then you will go heaven, sarga loka. Tetang bhukta sarga lokang visalang, chine pune marta lokang visanti. And do charity, donation, go heaven. And after enjoying the sense gratification, again coming back. And again do good karma, again coming. Nice lift job. What job? Understand? Lift job, understand? Some people also their job, big building. They are there. His job is what? When the people coming, taking the elevator, pressing and going and taking there and going. Up and down, whole day. This is his job. 8 hours is his job. Going up and down, not going out, not going. Just up and down. And Kobu Sarge, Kobu Morte, Narake ba Kobu Das, Kobu Prabhu, Kobu Das. And Kobu Raja, Kahu Praja. And sometimes going to heaven and good karma, then going to hell, narak, because bad karma. Karma is going in this. So saying Kabu Sarge, Kabu Morte, Kabu Das Prabhu. Sometimes you will become master Prabhu, or sometimes you will become Das, servant. This is going on there. Just to forget. Huh? Yeah. So this is karma. So Karmi Sadhu, they told this. You do good karma. But Parikshit Maharaj rejected this proposal. Huh? So what benefit you will get? Just coming and coming, going, coming. Wandering in the same rotation. Huh? Reject. Then Jnani Sadhus, though acquire the knowledge, Jnanat Mukti, Shastra saying. If you acquire the knowledge, then you get the liberation, Mukti also. Jnanat Mukti. So after Mukti, where will go? Then merge in Brahma. What is Brahma? No Sukham Asti, no Dukham Asti. And there is no happiness or no suffering. Good place. In this material you will come, then you will be suffering or not? Mayadevi is giving many kinds of distress and unhappiness, Advatik, Adidevi and Adibhuti. But those who are merged in Brahma, no Sukham Asti or no Dukham Asti. There is no happiness or there is no distress. What will do there? Just you lay down in there as like stone. Stone, understand? And you drop one stone under the water and then staying in there. Stone will never transpire in water and stay in there. That is called the merge in Brahma. Who will like? Anyone? Raise one hand. So Parikshit Maharaj, you told, okay, this is no need. Then yogis, they told Maharaj, you had to practice yoga darshan. Understand? And after yoga darshan, then you merge in Paramatma. Sajujya Mukti also there. What Mukti? Paramatma Sajujya. Two kinds of Sajujya. One is called Brahma Sajujya, another is called Paramatma Sajujya. Both were equal. But Paramatma Sajujya is very, very dangerous. If you merge in Brahma Sajujya, maybe you will come back, some opportunity. But if you merge in Paramatma Super Soul, you cannot come back. Understand? So Parikshit Maharaj also reject this philosophy. So Karmi Sadhu, Jnani Sadhu, Yogi Sadhu, different sadhu, they different philosophy they told. But Parikshit Maharaj is not happy. Then what will do? In the meantime, Sukadev Goswami Pad arrived. Then Sukadev Goswami Pad told, hey Maharaj Parikshit, I will give conclusion, which our previous Guru Varga, Acharya, they spoke. What is that? Hola, what is the slok? Etad nirviddamanam michatam akutobham yoginang api nirnitam harer namanu kirtana. Harer namanu kirtana. Because this Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga's dharma, that is called Nam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga dharma, Nam Sankirtan. And Kritijo Dhyato Vishnam Tretang Jajate Makhai दापरे परिचर्यां और कलु केशव कीर्तन कीर्तनाक भक्त। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे। And if you practice Kirtanakha Bhakti, then you will get all the fruits of Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Yugas. 3 Yugas. Fruits automatically will get. Nam Sankirtan. But I have to chant pure holy name. Suddha Nam. Understand? This is the process. Not just Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Ram. Namayachi, Namayachi. Understand? No. Have to chant pure holy names. नाम संख्या कलि युग में केवल नाम अधरा सुमेरु सुमेरु नर उतर ही पार। तुलसीदास रामचरितमानस, वेरी नाइस। एंड हरे नाम इव केवलम कलो नास्तेव 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 गतिरन्य। हरि नाम। तो व्हाई यू आर लिसनिंग हरि कथा? Why are doing and Smaran, Shravan, Kirtan, Smaran, Padasivan, Arsan, Bandhan, Dasa, Sak, Katma, Nivedana? Why you are practicing 9 limbs of bhakti? Only one reason. How we chant pure holy names. If you not listen Hari Katha, then you don't know what is the pure holy names. And how we will chant pure holy names. For the reason, you have to listen Hari Katha. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukritananusmrito Kramena Rasanamana Sinijajju Tishtan Brajet Tadanuragi Jananugami Kalong Nayat Akilam Itta Upadesa Saram. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse. The essence of all my nectar of instruction. The whole chant pure holy names. Tannam Rupajadish Sukritananu Smrito. You chant Lord's sweet names, Madhur Nam. Though Krishna's all name is sweet, Madhur. Because Krishna is embodiment of Madhur. Madhur, understand? Sweet, transcendental sweetness. And adharang madhuram nayanang madhuram and gamanang madhuram chalitang madhuram hasitang madhuram madhuradhipate akhilang madhuram. Madhurashtakam. And Balvacharya, he composed this all sweet, sweet, sweet. And as like you made one very nice, beautiful and doll with the sugar. So which part of the doll is more sweetest? You tell me. Leg, hands, mouth, ears, which one? Everything. Why? Voila.
This is all sweet.
All sweet, you are right. Good. Understand this? So in the same way, the Krishna, all limbs and body, everything is Madhur. Madhuram Madhuram, Madhurapadipate, Akhilam Madhuram. But here Rupa Goswami Pad say, Tishtan Braje. And you have to stay in Brajamandal, Vrindavan. But which place of Vrindavan you will stay? Then question comes. Which place? You forget. Radha Adipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastume. Remember this sloka. What is it called? Radha Adipatta Vrindavanam vasam mamastu me. May I stay and in Vrindavan, that place completely, absolutely dominated by Srimati Radha. So saying Radha, you write. What do you write? Radha Adhipatta. Don't forget. Next time, every day I saying, I will forget. Radha Adhipattam Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu me. Radha Adhipatta Vrindavanam Vasam Mamastu me. Huh? Not every place. But which place? Srimati Radhika's Adhipatta Bhumi. Completely dominated by Srimati Radha. Huh? Hari Radha Kunda. Radha Kunda is topmost place. But how will go to Radha Kunda? Step by step. Vaikuntha. So for the Puri, Tatrapi Rasutsava Vrindarannam Mudrapani Ramanat Tatrapi Govardhanat Radha Kunda Girivaravat Gokulapate Premamrita Plavanat Purjat Viveki Naka Radha Kunda. Topmost place. There is the place. But how to go step by step? And Adu Guru Padasra Diksha Siksha Visambhena Guru Seva. Then you will go. Understand? So for the Rupa Goswami path, 64 limbs of bhakti. So 60 bhakti anga. First that is called Adu Guru Padasa. First taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru. Guru Padasa. Then Diksha, Siksha, Visrambheno, Guru Seva, step by step. These are things. No Diksha, nothing, how possible? So Diksha, Siksha, I mean you have to learn Shastra. Proper way. Learn some Goswami's commentary. Diksha. And Visrambheno, Guru Seva. And Sat Gurudev with intimacy. Diksha, Siksha, Visrambheno. In the step by step, you will attain your perfection goal. Then realization will come. Understand? So this is the process. So for the Rupa Goswami path, he wrote 64 limbs of bhakti. But Vishwanath Chakravarti for Rupa Goswami path is Adu Shraddha. Adu Shraddha Tato Sadhu Sangha Vajana Kriya Anutri Nishta Ruchi Asakti Bhav and Prem. This is the sequence. So what is saying? Adu Shraddha. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti path, what is it? Adu Sadhu Sangha. First you associate with Sadhu. Sadhu Sangha. Because if you not associate sadhu, not listen Hari Katha, how your and unflinching faith will come. Authentic Shraddha will not come. When you listen Hari Katha from the mouth of sadhu, then your some faith will come. So for the Rupa Goswami path, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Adu Sadhu Sangha. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti saying, Vale Adu Guru Mukha Harikatha Sravana. Another commentary coming. If you not listen Harikatha from Guru, how will you know that about Guru's conception, vichar? You understand or not? Guru Mayavadi Guru or Guru Vaishnav Guru, Sahajya Sokhi Veki Guru. What is the conception of Guru? How do you know? So what do you do? Adu Guru Mukhat Harikatha Sravana. This is very important. Eh? Is that Guru? Mayavadi Guru. Aham Brahmasmi. I am Brahma. Chant this mantra. So, if you not associate with the Guru and not listen to Harikatha, you may not understand what is the mood of your Guru. Mayavadi Guru, Kormi Guru, Gyani Guru. Guru or Guru. Guru means spiritual master. Guru means cow. Understand? Sissa and Sassa. Sissa means disciple. Sassa means, what do you call? Who remember? No remember. Sassa means grains. Cows are grain, eating some grains. Understand? So Sissa and Sassa look like same. Same pronunciation, same sound. What is it called? Sissa and Sassa. Same sound or not? What do you say? Sissa, Sassa. What do you call? Sassa. Sassa means grains. Cows, they can eat any kinds of grains. But Sissa and Sasdhatu. Sasdhatu, verbal root sas means, so what is it called? Chastisement. Have to accept Guru's chastisement. Sasan Bhakka. Only Arjuna, he told me. He told to Krishna. And whose disciple said to Guru, Gurudev, you will give me chastisement. Who will say? No one. You understand or not? But only Arjuna he told. Sissaste aham sadhi tang mang prapan. Karpanna doso aparito sabhavo. Prichanti. Sissaste aham sadhi tang mang prapan. I am your disciple. I am your sister. So you have right, Gurudev, you have right. To chastise me. Understand? Sasan Bhakta. Understand? This is the verse. Animals, they don't accept your chastisement. Understand? So for this regard, cows, what is it? Eating everything. Understand? Cows eating, what is it called? Grass, another? Corn, or husk. Husk, understand? What is the husk? Skin of the rice. And what is coming there? Any kinds of grains coming there, eating. So don't you become, what is it called? Sassa, grains. And you have to accept Guru's chastisement.
Sharanagati is very hard, Gurudev. Surrender is very hard.
Very hard.
The heart.
Very hard and heart. Okay, you are right. Both words. Very hard and hard. Very painful, eh?
Yes.
Yes. But what will do? You have to
Try.
Not transfer.
And chant.
So now coming in this way. What is it? Adu Guru Mukhat Hari Katha Sravana. Vishwanath Chakravarti. Why? Because if you not listen Hari Katha from the mouth of your Guru, you cannot understand what is the Guru's conception. Is Mayavadi Guru or Kormi Guru or Gyani Guru or Yogi Guru or Bhakta Guru. Understand? Karmi Guru will always will inspire his disciple. Do karma, chalo, do karma. And Jnani Guru inspired his disciple how to acquire the knowledge, Jnana Arjana. Understand? A Yogi Guru inspired his yoga. Understand? Early in the morning, we also do this way, up and down, this. Understand? Health is wealth. Chalo. Understand? Our Bhakta Guru, what will say? You practice devotional service too. Kirtan, Hari Katha, Kirtan. Now 9 o'clock. This is true or wrong? Listen Hari Katha. It's very important. Okay, you have to little bit walk. This is true. Morning walk. This is also. If your health is not good, then you cannot sit, you cannot listen Hari Katha. This is true also. Need. And that means not the only jogging, and coming back and do this. Jogging, understand? And running. After morning walk, listen Hari Katha or not? And glorify to Krishna. Guru Parampara, Vaishnava Bandhana. This is limbs of bhakti. Bhakta sadhu always engaged to you how to practice devotional service to Lord. Bhakti. This is the duty also. And this. So, Karmi sadhu, Jnani sadhu, and Yogi sadhu, then Bhakti. So now we come in this Sukdev Goswami Pad when he arrived assembly of the Parikshit Maharaj. And Parikshit Maharaj asked the same question. If anybody about to die, then what is his duty? That means after 7 days he will die. What he will do now? Then Sukdev Goswami Pad told very simple. Well, I am not giving any conclusion. What our previous Acharya Suddha Bhakta, they already give the conclusion. Understand? I am not giving all my conclusion. But what is the conclusion? What is the Etad Nirviddha Mananam Ichatam Akutobhyam Joginang Api Nirnitam Harer Namanu Kirtan. Yeah, Yogi means Bhakta Yogi, all Bhakta Yogis. And Vyas, Parasar. They already mentioned in their Shastra. And Narad, Vyas, Parasar, all the devotees. They already give the conclusion. What is the conclusion? Hare Namanu Kirtana. Nam Sang. Here Nam means listen Krishna Katha, Krishna Nam. Nam, Roop, Gun, Lila. Everything is included in Hare Namanu Kirtana. Understand? Sometimes listen Hari Katha, sometimes do Kirtan, sometimes dancing, sometimes singing, sometimes rolling on the ground. You are not rolling on the ground. But if you go Bengal, they are rolling on the ground or not? Why you are not rolling on the ground? Then your cloth will be dirt. And if you go Bengal, they are rolling on the ground. Even the ladies also they do. You have seen her? Nice, Evam Sravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Marchan Bandhan Dasa Sakka Atmanivedanam Iti Pungsarvita Vishnu Bhakti Chet Navalakshana. 9 limbs of Bhakti. So I am saying the Parikshit Sukdev Goswami Pad told, this is the conclusion. Harinam Sankirtan. That means you listen Hari Katha and chant holy names, dance and singing. Then when your predicted time will come, then automatically give up this body and attend to your destination, Golok Vrindavan. As like snake, what is it called? Give up his old skin and coming out. This is the process also. When you will go out, you don't know. And attend to Golok Vrindavan and see how his beautiful form is there. Radha, Krishna, divine Radha and Krishna. And service to divine Radha. So Bhakti again. Bhajite bhajite samaya asile edeho chariya diva. Bhajite bhajite samaya asile. Performing bhajan and sadhan. And sadhan and bhajan. Then when my predicted time will come, and I will give up this body. And then I will receive my transcendental body, Siddha Chiddha. And with my Siddha Chiddha, I will attend to Guru Vrindavan Sabda. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur concluded last day. Dekhite dekhite bhuli baba kabe nijo stula porichaya are nayane heribo brajapura sobha nitya chidanandamaya Vishabhanupure janamalo viva jabade vivahobe Svabhavo anubhavo naroive Siddha deha nija siddha namo nija rupa sabasano Radha kripa bole Ravi baba kave Krishna prema dhano Yamuna Putsalilo Aharane Giya Bhujvaju Kalarasa Are Prema Mukta Haye Bhagalini Pran Naiva Radha Raja. Nice. Actually, this is your Prakat Leela. When Krishna performs his Prakat Leela in this matter, that time you would be go there. This is that. But that time you is what? Then all the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they will give proper training to you. And how to play mridanga, how to play harmonium, how to dance, how to sing. Now you are singing, dancing, this is good. But you will go there, they will give proper training. And Lalita Devi, she will bring to you Srimati Radhika and give some special instruction. That is called Agga Seva. What is called? Agga Seva. Allah dasi kari Lalita Sundari Amare loiya kabe Radhika pade kale milaibe Agga Seva samarpibe Agga Seva samarpibe Agga Seva samarpibe Amare loiya kabe Shivishaka Sirupa Manjari Sangejava kabe Rasa Seva Siksha Tare Tadanugahaye Radha Kunda Tati Raiva Horsitantare Raiva Horsitantare वैभव शीतंतरे रस सेवा सेवा तरे सिद्धि शाखा पदे संगीता शिखीव रस लीला रसमया शिरोति मंजरी शिरास मंजरी वैवेश विसदय वैवेश वेशदय वैवेश वेशदय कृष्ण लीला रसमय परमानंदे सकले मिलिया राधिका चरणे रव এই পরাকাষ্ঠা সিদ্ধি কবে হবে অপরাধা পদাসব অপরাধা পদাসব অপরাধা পদাসব রাধিকা চরণে রব রাধিকা চরণে রব রাধিকা চরণে রব অবপদাসব Nice this song. This is the Prakat Lila. Then after Prakat Lila, when you will get perfect train, training will be what? Perfect. If you fail, then cannot go. Then again, give chance. Good or not? If you faint, what will do? Everybody will pass. So who will fail? Because here is what is the past. There must be someone will be fail. But very rare they will fail. Understand? No.
Screening is good.
Understand? Very rare fail. Only those who are crazy and lazy will fail. Who is crazy or who is lazy? Raise one hand. No, no lazy. No lazy, no crazy. There is no lazy and no crazy also. Or must be someone also. But that is very rare. Then Jogmaya again give the chance, opportunity. Good or not? So when you train, then that is called Vastu Siddhi. What is called? After Vastu Siddhi, then Krishna's Leela finish, then Jogmaya will bring you in transcendental world. Then you will become the Parikar and associates of Divine Radha and Krishna. Parikar, Bali Gani. Here use this word Bali. And not saying the Parikar Gani. What is saying? Bali. Written or not? And Parikar, Bali Gani. As like. You cannot become Parikar. You are become Palladasi. This is true. But you are so saying the Bali. And as like. But there is also no discrimination, not saying this. But you realize yourself. Understand? You cannot same level of Lalita Abhiseka, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari. But Lalita Abhiseka, Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, they are very, and what is called? And what is called? Broad-hearted. Udar Chitta. What do you call? Udar Chitta. Broad-hearted. So much magnificent and magnanimity. They will give some chance to you to serve you. How to serve to Srimati Radha. But mostly you will get the service little bit far from Srimati Radha. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Durgata Seva. Understand? Lalita, Abhisheka, Rupanjali, their service very close. That is Sanskrit word. That is called Nikadgata Seva. What is called? Nikadgata Seva. You may make the garland and you may collect the flowers and make the garland. But that garland, Lalita, Abhisheka, Rupanjali, they will be decorate Srimati Radhika's and hairs and something else. And this thing. So Rupa Goswami Padre, Dambila Dhati. Vivida Kusuma Bindi, Dambila Dhati, Vivida Matakurna, Keki Binchi Pasasti, Madhurba Bindu, Madhurba, Bimbo the Gidna Tamula Ragas for Tamala Kopalang, Radhika Varchayam. Very nice Katha. Good Premanand. Valor Vrindavan Vyari Lal. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
50 minutes to reach. 50 minutes to reach over there.
Okay, now we'll take breakfast. Then after breakfast we can go. The program is there. Harikatha, Prasad, Har Prasad, Harikatha. Good enough. More 3 days, then you take rest. Already today you are day. 13th.
13.
Okay.
You can take rest, but you'll never take rest every day. You never take rest, right? It never stops, huh?
Non-stopping.
Your tears. You have something in your eye. It's hurt.